Today, I'll walk you through how to configure screens and screen schemes in Atlassian Jira. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up custom screens and connect them to screen schemes, giving you greater control over how fields are displayed when people interact with issues in your Jira projects. If you've ever wanted your users to see just the right information at each stage, or streamline workflows to save your team valuable minutes, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight in. First up, open your Jira instance. It might sound obvious, but make sure you're logged in with the permissions needed to make these changes, usually as a project admin or higher. Once Jira loads, head up to the very top right of your screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is Jira's settings menu. Click that to get started. Inside the settings panel, look for the option called Work Items. It's essential to choose this because it gives you access to the elements that control issue types, screens, and schemes. Sometimes you might have to wait a moment for the page to load. Don't worry if it seems to pause. Jira is just pulling up all the configuration tools. Once you're in Work Items, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see a sidebar packed with options. Find Screens in this panel and give it a click. Screens are at the heart of Jira's customization. They determine which fields pop up when creating, editing, or viewing an issue. By customizing screens, you're essentially crafting the user experience for your team. Now it's time to build your own. Click Add Screen. Usually there's a prominent button here, but if you're not seeing it straight away, scroll a bit or check for a plus icon. In the dialog box that appears, type the name Sample Screen. Naming conventions matter. Choose something descriptive so you'll recognize it later among other screens. Once you've entered the name, hit Add. That's it. You've just created a new screen. But a screen without fields is like a blank canvas. To make this screen useful, click on your new sample screen listed below. This opens up the customization view. Here you can add fields. Think of these as the data points your users will see. For example, you might add summary, description, or custom fields your business uses. Just select the fields that fit your team's workflow. Take your time with this part. Imagine you're setting up a checklist for every task someone will track. When you're satisfied with your fields, let's move on to screen schemes. These are powerful because they map each screen to events, like creating, editing, or viewing an issue. To access this, look for Screen Schemes in your sidebar and click it. Here, hit the button to Add Screen Scheme. Again, give it a clear name. Use Sample Screen Scheme for this tutorial. Naming it well helps as your Jira configuration grows more complex over time. When prompted, set your sample screen as the default screen. This tells Jira what layout to use for most issue actions under this scheme. Click Add to finish up. And there you have it. Your screen and screen scheme are set up and ready for use. This process might seem a little detailed, but remember, each step ensures your Jira instance is tailored to fit your team's unique workflow. If something didn't quite work or you notice a missing field, don't hesitate to double back and adjust things until they fit just right. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any hiccups. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more easy-to-follow Jira tutorials, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out. See you next time.